Good morning students, this is Sushil Misra and I am here with the topic Force and Laws of Motion, that is your chapter 9 NCERT textbook science subject class 9th. So let us start today's video. Force and laws of motion. सो जैसा कि आप लोग देख रहे हैं चैप्टर का टाइटल ही है फोर्स एंड लॉज ऑफ मोशन. इट मीन्स दिस चैप्टर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू कैटेगरीज. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज फोर्स and the second part is laws of motion. So in this video we are going to see what we are going to study in this chapter, and from the next video we will have detailed and separate parts. So let me make the flow chart diagram. At least with the help of flow chart diagram we will have idea what we are going to study. So force, as you know, in force what we will do, in force we are going to study balanced force, and unbalanced force. Okay, we are going to study balanced force as well as unbalanced force. And in laws of motion, this is the first part. Okay, this is the first part, and the second part is laws of motion, in which we are going to study, as you know, first law of motion, then secondly is what, second law, and this is what, third law. So in first law we are going to study inertia and mass, inertia and mass. Second law, force equal to force equal to ma, and momentum p equal to mv. So this we are going to study in second law, derivation of this also. And in third part, in short I am writing action reaction, that is statement, no problem, we'll discuss later on. And the first, conservation of energy, laws of conservation of momentum, sorry, not energy, momentum, laws of conservation of momentum. So these are the outlook of this chapter, what we are going to study in this chapter. So from the first part we will study force, balanced force, unbalanced force. One more thing I would like to add in this, we will study contact force also, contact and non-contact force, at least. And if I'll add one more part, then we will also have effect of force, effects of force. So these are the four parts which we are going to study in force section, and these are the three laws. And first law, inertia and mass, we will know. Then in second law, F equal to ma, P equal to mb, momentum equal to mass into velocity. And the third law, laws of conservation of momentum, and the statement of the third law, that is there is a, for every action there is a equal and opposite reaction, but that in detail we will discuss in the upcoming video. So this is the outlook of your chapter 9. This is the flow chart diagram. At least you will come to know what we are going to study. So इससे हम लोग को क्या मिलेगा कि हम क्या क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं. So wait for the next video. Thank you.